Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Sahiti. I mostly talk about beauty, fashion and lifestyle in this channel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing my channel. So today's video is all about Amazon and Flipkart haul. I bought a lot of products from Amazon and Flipkart a while back. I'm so excited for today's video because the stuff is amazing. I bought a lot of products and I'm going to be showing all of those products to you. So if you want to know what I bought from Amazon and Flipkart, then keep watching. So the first product is this book. I use this for writing notes for my YouTube videos and blogging posts. I already started using this product. When I have to speak about some intense topics like acne and all, I have to do prior research, so I write some points over here. It has this quote saying never give up because great things take time. So it looks like this, aesthetically pleasing. You can definitely give this a try if you are in a need of something like this. So the other product that I want to show you guys is this beautiful unicorn pouch. If you know me, you know how much I love unicorns. No matter what the object is, what the product is, if it has unicorn in it, then I'm gonna buy it. So this is a stub-on pouch. I used to put a lot of painting stuff in this, but then I stopped painting, so now I'm putting jewelry in this. So I have a lot of jewelry in this. It has many compartments. So it has 2 compartments over here. If you are somebody who loves to put things in an organized way, you should get this pouch for sure. You have a lot of compartments for pens or pencils or even brushes. So I completely love this product and recommend for everybody who needs this right now. So the next product that I want to show you guys is this. Now when I say this, it's not exactly this. It is a pack of 12 motivating quotes. These are like posters. The intensity of the color and everything is just so perfect. There will be some low times in our lives, so I get disappointed very often and I just get into the room and shut the doors. So what I did was I started pasting these posters on the back of my door. So whenever I get disappointed and shut the door, I start reading these, and I tend to read these things, and that really motivates me a lot. So I'm just trying to get motivated in all the ways possible. So if you're somebody like me, you should definitely get your hands on this product. I'll put the link in description box. Do check it out. So the next product that I want to show you guys is this set of 3 brushes that I bought from Amazon. Now this is from Amazon, but it is actually from a brand called Miniso. I think most of you know about Miniso. It is a Japanese brand. So I bought these brushes because my gums are too sensitive. It cannot take the pressure from normal plastic brushes. This is again plastic, but it is fine plastic, and the bristles are charcoal, I guess. So these are soft bristle PETG handle material. I don't know what it is. So these are very soft on your gums. I've already used a set of these brushes before. I completely loved them, so I bought another set of these brushes. So if you're somebody searching for something like this for sensitive teeth and gum, then you can give this a try. The next product that I want to show you is this classic sling bag. Now you can use this anywhere, starting from the college to evening outing with your friends. So this is just very beautiful product. This material feels like leather. I don't know if this is completely a leather product, but it feels like it. The color is, the snuff color, I would say. It has 2 buttons over here, and the quality is very nice. It is very thick and stubborn. So I've used this pretty much times before and I have no complaints regarding this product. So if you're looking for something classy and something stylish to pair it with your jeans or kurtis or anything for that matter, you should definitely get your hands on this. So the next product that I bought from Amazon is this pair of face razors. Yes, you heard it right. I've never tried face razors before, but I thought I'll just give it a try. This is again from a brand called Miniso. I heard really good things about this brand and this particular product from the Miniso range, and I bought these for 150 bucks or something, which is pretty cheap because very good quality face razors are in the range of 200 to 300. So I got 2 face razors for 150, which is pretty cheap, I think. So I got my hands on this and I'm gonna try very soon and share my experience with you guys. So yeah, so the next product that I bought from Flipkart is this beautiful lip balm. It's from Biotech. You know how much I love this product. I and my brother use this a lot. So we have already emptied it up. This is the second tub I bought from the same brand. I don't have to talk a lot about this product because you already know how much I love this product. So a big thumbs up for this product from my side, and if you are thinking of buying this product, then without any doubt just get your hands on this. This is very affordable and just best of lip balms. So the next product that I want to show you guys is this beautiful mandala coloring book for adults. Now we have tried a lot of coloring stuff when we were kids, but this particular book is for adults. It has beautiful mandala printed pages in it. This is how it looks. I already colored a few pages. I'll show you. So this is how it looks. It looks amazing. It looks gorgeous, guys. If you want to make it a frame, you can actually cut this page over here and make it a frame and put anywhere in the room and make the room look attractive. A big thumbs up for this product from my side. So if you want something like this, or if you are looking for something like this during the lockdown, you should definitely get this product. So the last product that I want to show you guys is this pore contracting pore strips from Miniso. I bought this from Amazon. You get 10 sheets from this product. So I have already tried this product, and I would say I wouldn't recommend this product because the sheet literally got stuck to my nose over here. I didn't know how to remove it. I literally have to get some hot water and remove that. So you have a similar kind of product in a brand called Hip Hop. You have charcoal nose strips in that brand. I'll show you in the next video. That brand produces similar kind of nose strips and they are very effective. So I wouldn't recommend this product because it did not work for me. So if you're thinking of buying this product, please do your prior research before buying this product. So that is all I want to say about this product. So that's for today, guys. I've shown you everything that I bought from Amazon and Flipkart. If you want to see a part 2 of this video, then put that in comment section. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you with another amazing video. Until then, be kind, keep smiling, take care. Bye.